Here's some advice you've probably heard before. Just take a mental health day. It'll help. Well, it sounds helpful, doesn't it? But what if that break isn't helpful at all? What if that single day off, the one that's supposed to recharge you, is actually keeping you stuck? You've been working nonstop, feeling drained, and you finally say it. I need a mental health day. So you cancel plans, you sleep in, and you tell yourself it'll help. But when you wake up tomorrow, it's all still there. The stress, the overwhelm, the same exhaustion. Because taking a mental health day doesn't fix burnout. It quietly feeds it. It might sound surprising, but stay with me. Because by the end of this video, you'll understand why taking a day off isn't fixing the problem you think it is, and what to do instead. Most people don't take mental health days to reset. They take them to escape. And the problem with escape is you always have to come back. You rest, you binge a show, you scroll, you decompress, and when Monday hits, nothing's changed. Your inbox is still full, your boundaries are gone, and that same pressure rushes back before your coffee's even ready. So, what did your mental health day actually fix? Nothing. It just delayed the breakdown by one more sunrise. That's not recovery. That's just recycling your stress. And here's the catch. Your brain starts to crave that relief loop more than real recovery. The quick escape feels like progress, but it isn't. It's comfort dressed up as healing. We've been told for years that rest is the cure for burnout. And yes, rest matters, but rest alone can't fix emotional disconnection. Because burnout doesn't come from doing too much, it comes from doing too much of what doesn't matter. When you take a day off without addressing what's really draining you, you don't recharge. You just pause the problem. That single day away gives you temporary relief, but it doesn't rebuild clarity, purpose, or direction. So when you come back, you're right where you started. Only now you feel guilty that the break didn't work. And here's the real issue. Mental health days are often used as an escape, not a reset. And every time you use escape to manage burnout, you just train your brain to avoid action instead of rebuilding direction. See, every time you take a mental health day just to survive the week, your brain learns something dangerous. Stress plus rest equals relief. And sure, it works for about 24 hours. But then you crash again because you didn't solve the cause. You just silence the symptoms. It's like hitting snooze on your own emotions. Each time you do, it gets harder to wake up to what's really wrong. And that's when the burnout cycle sneaks in. Quiet, slow, and disguised as self-care. The real reason you're exhausted? You're not just tired from work. You're tired from disconnection. Your body keeps saying something's off. Your emotions whisper, we can't keep doing this. But your routine, it doesn't listen. So you call it stress. You push through, you take another mental health day, but it's not the hours that are burning you out. It's the emptiness of what those hours mean. So here's some uncomfortable truth. A day off can't fix a direction problem. Here's what to do instead. This is the real reset. Instead of escaping the stress, face it with purpose. When that urge to stop, shut down, or just walk away, that's the moment your system begins. Here's what I do every single time that urge tells me to quit. Stop. Don't fight the feeling or push through it. Pause completely. Let everything go quiet for just a few seconds to breathe. Take 3 slow, deep cleansing breaths. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold it for 2. Exhale through your mouth for 6. Feel your body reconnect to the present, to this moment, not the storm going on in your mind. Then you need to refocus. Then I ask myself one question, the question that always cuts through the noise. What is the most important, highest priority action I need to make to move forward right now? This has to be one specific action. It's not what I should do someday. It's what I'm going to do at this exact moment. Then I focus my mind on that one single action. In my mind's eye, I see myself taking it, starting it, staying with it, finishing it, no matter what. Then I take one deep breath in and forcefully blow it out and start. Take that one action, big or small, it doesn't matter, because motion breaks hesitation, and hesitation feeds burnout. Acknowledge it. When it's done, I literally tell myself, great job! That small moment of recognition rewires your brain for progress instead of pressure. Then I move on to the next most important thing. This isn't about motivation, it's about momentum. Because every time you complete one small meaningful action in a tough moment, you rebuild control. And here's the real secret. You don't beat burnout by resting from life. You beat it by re-entering it with intention. You don't need a mental health day. You need a mental health system. Something that protects your focus, energy, and purpose every single day. And that system begins the moment you wake up. That's exactly what I've been showing in my Break Free from Burnout series. How to build resilience from the first hour of your morning so burnout never catches up to you again. Because rest should restore you, not reset your countdown to exhaustion. If you want to take this deeper, and you should, you'll get a lot out of watching why FOMO makes you say yes to everything. It's the first part of a connected series that shows how to stop overcommitting, reclaim your focus, and protect your energy before burnout ever begins. Then follow it up with the next video, how to stop oversleeping using FOMO to win your mornings, and wrap it up with the morning habit that stops burnout before it starts. Those 3 videos build the foundation that turns this idea, less escape, more alignment, into a daily system for balance and resilience. Here's that first video I just told you about. You'll find the links below for the other videos along with my course and book, Break Free from Burnout, where I walk you step by step through how to build habits that make purpose and intention your new default. Remember, recovery isn't something you take a mental health day for. It's something you build in every day you live. I'll see you in this next video.